Mhm. Okay. Mhm.
Chưa kể sẽ về một số hai sẽ là thằng mùa khổ lắm quá. Ôi, con đứa nào
Okay.
biết nhưng mà không mặc áo.
Can you tell your brother to to be
Ai?
quiet?
Đó.
Okay, Chonglam, be quiet. Eat your breakfast.
Yeah, no.
Okay. So, Andy, it's nice to see you again. Okay, so we will going to continue our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so before we start our activity, okay, let's have a quick review of our previous lesson. So, Andy, can you tell me what is this place?
Park.
Park. Very good. This is? This is?
It
A,
is
mhm, a place where you can get a checkup.
hospital.
Yes, a hospital. Okay. From a doctor. Okay. And this place where you can watch film. What is this? What is this place?
Movie
Yes, very good.
theater.
Yes, movie theater. Well done. Oops. Okay. How about this one?
Mm, museum.
Yes, museum where you can see paintings and sculptures. Okay, how about this?
Pol, pol,
Police? Wait, wait.
police
Police?
station.
Okay,
Police
police.
station.
Well
Police.
done. Okay, very good. It is a police station. Okay, can you see me? It's a bit dark. Wait, let me open the light. Okay. How about this one, where you can order food? Where you can order and eat food. What is this place? Hmm? Hmm. What is this place?
Uh,
You can do it. This is a
let's go.
restaurant or resto.
Restaurant.
Yes, very good. Okay, how about this place where you can shop, where you can buy food?
Mm,
This is a
supermarket.
yeah, supermarket. Very good, Andy. Okay, how about this place?
Mm, Toy Star.
Very good. Okay. And how about this? This is also a station. What station is this? Train. It is?
Train station.
Yes, a train station. Okay.
Library.
Very good.
Smart
Yes, it's correct. A mall.
mall.
Okay. Stay. Stadium.
Stadium.
Okay. And how about this place?
Mm,
Swimming.
swimming pool.
Yes, swimming pool. Okay. How
Zoo.
zoo? Yes, where you can see a lot of kinds of animals. Okay, different kinds of animals. Okay, so grammar 2. Let's now go back to our book. Giving directions. Okay, how can
I get to the
library
library? Go
tree?
straight to left
Mm-hmm.
on on third on
On
third
third. Mm-hmm. On Third Avenue.
avenue.
Yeah.
To
Turn
right
right.
at
The
supermarket.
Yes. Turn left on the Third Avenue. Turn right at the supermarket. Okay, so look at the map below, Anvi. Okay, let me zoom it out a bit so you can see the map below. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Oops. Okay. So we will going to follow the map below and try to complete each questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Okay, let's start with the number 1. How can I get
How can I get
to the
to the
mm-hmm, blank? Okay, it says the turn left on Summer Street. Okay, turn left on Summer Street and turn right to the Spring Street. It is next to the mall. What is this?
museum?
Yes, so how can I get to the
Museum.
yes, to the museum? Very good. Oops. To the museum. Okay, number 2.
How
How can I get
can I get to
to
the
the okay, the answer is go straight on Green Street. Okay, where is the Green Street? So this is the Green Street. It says that go straight on the Green Street, then turn left on the middle street. Okay, turn left on the middle street, which is here. Turn left on the block street again. Okay. Oh, sorry. Turn left on the block street. It's next to the swimming pool. What is this? It's next to the swimming pool.
uh restaurant?
Yes. So how can I get to the number 2 is
Restaurant.
okay. So let's try to complete the sentence. So the question, how can I get
How can I get
to
restaurant to the
the
restaurant?
okay, to the restaurant. Very good, Andy. Okay. Number 3.
How can I get to the
Can you read the answer? And we go straight on the Green Street.
ocean?
Mm-hmm. How? Go straight on the Green Street. Turn right on the middle street. Turn left on the block street. It's next to the swimming pool. Okay, it's next to the swimming pool again. What is this? Okay, it says that go straight in a green street. Okay, this is a green street. Okay, and then turn right on the middle street, which is here, middle street. And turn left on the black street. Oops, sorry. Okay, on the black street. It's next to the swimming pool. Oops, sorry, the number 2. Sorry for the confusion, Anvi. So I think Number 2 is not restaurant, okay, because it says turn left on the middle street. It's on the corner of the middle street. And second avenue. Okay, the second avenue is here. Whoops. The second avenue is here. And the middle street is here. Okay, so what is this? It is a, yes, a school. Okay, so how can I get to the school? Go straight, Green Street, turn left in the middle street. It's on the corner of the middle street. And Second Avenue. Okay, very good, Andy. So number 3 is a restaurant. Okay, can you complete the question for me? Number 3, how can I get
How can I get rest
to the,
to the restaurant?
yes, how can I get to the restaurant? Go
Go
straight.
go straight on
Sorry.
Green Street.
Go straight on the Green Street.
Turn right on
The middle
on the middle
street.
street.
Okay.
Turn left.
Left.
Turn left on Black Street.
It's
East.
next.
Next
Next.
to the swimming pool.
Okay, next. It's
Next.
next. Swimming
Next.
pool.
Swimming pool.
Very good. Okay, Andy. Okay, number 4. How
How
can I get to the,
how can I get to the
it says turn left on the Summer Street. Okay, turn left on the Summer Street, which is here. And then turn right on the Second Avenue. Go straight in the Sunny Street. It's next to the bookstore. What is this?
blue?
Yes, very good. Well done, Andy. Okay, so how can I get to the,
Blue.
okay, let's try to complete the question. How?
How can I get to the zoo?
Okay, turn left.
Turn left on Summer Street. Turn
Straight.
right
Okay, Summer Street, turn
on
right. Turn right on the
turn right on Second
Avenue.
Avenue. Go straight on Sunny Street. East next to the bookstore.
Yes, very good. Okay, well done, Andy. Okay, so play a game. Okay. Ask for direction and take turns. Okay. So look at the map, Andy. So how can I get to the stadium, Andy, which is here? Can you give me a direction? How can I get to the stadium, which is here? Go straight
Go straight
in Summer Street.
on Summer Street.
Yes.
It's
It's
across mall.
yes, it's across the mall. It's across to the mall.
It's across to the mall.
Okay, how about Andy? I want to go to the mall. To the mall. How can I get to the mall? Okay. Go straight in Summer Street.
Go straight in Summer Street.
Turn right in Spring Street.
Turn right in Spring
Spring Street.
Street.
It's next to the museum.
It's next to museum.
Very good. Okay. Okay, Andy. One more. How can I get? Okay, how can I get to the restaurant? How can I get to the restaurant?
Go Green Street.
Okay, go Green Street. Go straight in the Green Street and so this is our destination restaurant. I want to go to the restaurant. Okay, so we go straight in Green Street and what's next?
And go to
And turn left.
and turn left. Black Street.
Go straight in the Black Street and it's next to,
It's next to swimming pool.
yes, it's next to the swimming pool. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Bookstore. I want to go to the bookstore. So let's begin here. Let's start here.
Go to Green Street.
Okay, go straight to Green Street. Then
Then go to
turn right. Turn
the
right
right
to Summer Street
to Summer Street.
and go
And
straight in Second Avenue.
go straight in Second Avenue.
And
And
go
go
straight to
straight to
Sunny
Sunny Street.
Street. It's next to,
It's next to Zoo.
yes, it's next to the zoo. Okay, very good. Okay, would you like to try, Anvi? One more?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let's choose. Okay, I want to go to the park. So it's easy.
Go to Green Street.
Green Street, okay, and
And go to
it's in the corner of
is
in the
the
corner of Green Street and Summer Street.
corner of Green Street
And
and Summer Street.
yes, Summer Street. Okay. I would like to go to the museum. Okay, give me direction, Anvi. I would like to go to the museum.
Go to Green Street.
Go straight. Go straight to Green Street.
Go straight to Green Street.
Okay, turn left.
Turn left to Summer
Street
Street.
and turn right.
Turn right to Green Street.
It's across.
It's across school.
Yes, it's across
School.
school. Very good. Okay, well done, Andy. Good job. Okay, so now let's move to our song. Okay, listen, read, and sing. Okay, let me play the audio for this one. Andy, listen carefully, okay? Oops. Are you okay, Anvi?
Song. Activity 1. Listen, read, and sing.
A great new town.
Can I help you? You look lost. Can I help you find your way? Can I help you? You look lost. Can I help you today? I'm new in town. I think I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? I'm new in town. Can you help me with my busy day? Where are the post office, toy store, supermarket, and the park? Where's the bakery? Where's the library? Where are the zoo, the school, and the swimming pool? I'm new in town. I think I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? I'm new in town. Can you help me with my busy day? I can help you. You're not lost. I can help you find your way. I can help you. You're not lost. I can help you today. Here's the post office, the toy store, the supermarket, and the park. Here's the bakery, the library, the zoo, the school, a swimming pool, and a movie theater too. I can help you. You're not lost. I can help you today. I can help you find your way, and you'll be okay in your great new town today. Thank you for helping me to find my way. Thank you for helping me with my busy day. In my great new town today. In my great new town today.
Okay, it's your turn. Okay, are you sleepy? Ah, all right, Andy. It's your turn. What's the title of the song?
Great new town.
Very good.
New town.
I'm
New town.
new in.
I'm new in town. I think I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? I'm new in town.
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me with my
Busy with my
day?
busy day. Okay. Can you help me with my busy day? Okay. The sounds of English. Phonics. Okay. Museum.
Museum.
Okay. New.
Museum. Music. January.
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 Commu.
Community.
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 Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Menu.
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 Very good. Okay, one more.
Museum. Museum. Music. January. Community.
Community.
Community. Beautiful. Menu.
Very good. Okay. Well done, Andy. Okay, more reading exercise. Listen and read. Eye in the sky. Okay, let me play the audio. Listen carefully. And then after that, we will proceed on reading.
Reading. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Eye in the sky.
Satellites are machines in space that circle Earth. They help us talk to people on the other side of the planet. They can also study the planet's weather. This satellite is called GeoEye-1. It's the same size as a big car. It takes photos of our planet. These photos can show continents and oceans. They can show streets and houses, too. This is part of Asia, the biggest continent. Now we can see the countries clearly. Here we can see South Korea. Now we can see one town.
Mhm.
This is Pohang in South Korea. Look, can you see 2 stadiums?
Okay, it's your turn, Anvi. Let's start reading. Okay, oops, what is the title of the text? I
in the sky.
very good. Satellites
Satellites are
machines
machines in space that Earth
circle Earth.
circle Earth.
They help us
They help us talk to people on the other side of the planet.
planet.
The planet.
Planet.
Planets.
They
They can also study the planet's weather. This satellite is called
GOI.
GOI
1.
One.
GOI 1.
GOI 1.
It
Is the same size as a big
big
car.
car.
Hello? It take two
Photos
photo
of
of our
planet.
planet.
Very good.
This photo can show
So
continue continents
and
and
ocean.
of
Oceans. Okay,
they can show street
Mhm.
and
houses too.
houses too.
Okay, very good. Okay, what happened? Okay, Miranda. Let's continue our reading. This is part
It is part
of
Asia.
Asia. The biggest
The biggest
continent.
is
Now
we can see the
countries
country clearly. Here we can see South Korea.
South Korea.
Now we can see
Pound.
pound. This is Pohang in South Korea. Look, and you see two stadiums.
Yes. Can you see 2 stadiums? Okay. Okay, let's go back. It is called machines. Machines.
Machine.
Satellites.
Satellite.
Okay, what is this again?
Satellite. Ma-
Ma, machine.
Machine.
Okay, circle.
Circle.
Okay, GeoI1.
GeoI1.
Continents.
Continent.
Oceans.
Ocean.
Very good. Okay, one more. What is this again? Satellites.
Satellite.
Okay, how about this? Ma,
Machine.
yes, machines.
Circle.
Okay, machines.
Machine.
Circle.
Circle.
GeoI1.
GeoI1.
Continents.
Continent.
Oceans.
Ocean.
Okay, oceans.
Ocean.
Okay, very good. Okay, Andy, since we don't have much time, we will going, oops, what happened? Okay, so we were going to finish our lesson. Okay, Andy, from here, and we will going to continue we will going to finish our lesson, and we will continue on Monday. Our discussion. We will continue our discussion on Monday. Okay, Andy? Hmm? Okay. Oh, why is the surprise emoji? Okay, wow, that is a space. What is that? A rocket. Okay, Andy, I'll see you again on Monday and eat breakfast with your brother. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that your cousin? Hmm? Is that your cousin? Okay, Andy. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.
Have a teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.